Okay, so I wanted to do basically a follow-up review on my iPad mini. This is Generation 7 version. It's got the A7 chip, and I also bought a cover for it, so we'll do the quick unboxing of this as well. Let's just get this out. Just slide it out. There's the cover. So the cover is $60. I think it's way overpriced, in my opinion, but it does fit it perfectly, and it's all magnetic, so it's nice. So we'll just get that installed quickly. Just snap it into place, and there you go. There's the iPad mini Smart Folio. Just some other things about this iPad mini. It's really good. I like it. The more and more I use it, the better I like it. So let's see. Okay, somehow I got. Okay, so you just turn it on by putting your finger on the top, pressing it, holding it to open. And if you haven't seen my review, please check it out. This is a previous review I did. The iPad mini. This is the unboxing actually. But yeah, I like it so far. It's got a lot of, I just synced up my phone. It's got all the apps I want. Really helps me to kind of get everything organized pretty well. So for some reason I have all these apps installed, but I don't actually use them all. So I'll have to actually clean that up. But so far, what I like about this is the size. The size is really good. I had the bigger one before, and it was just too heavy. So this one is nice when I don't want to use my phone, because my phone is quite a bit smaller, even though it is an iPhone Plus. So this actually really is easy to watch videos. You can do it obviously in landscape mode or regular mode, and yeah, it's pretty fast. No complaints there. Everything opens really nicely. I can get to any app I want. I can watch sports if I want to. Whatever I choose. So no complaints. Again, I think it's really got all the features I'm looking for. I love the size. Charging, it holds its charge pretty well. Really, it's got 92% now. I haven't really plugged it in since morning. Got your charging ports on the bottom. Again, my main reason for getting this is lightness. It's definitely compact. I can carry this like a small notebook. The thing I do want to get next is the pen. I think this is where the pen would go when you get the pen. So I do want to try that out. That's probably one of the next things I get. And then you can also obviously stand this up. There we go. So that's going to be nice when I want to watch some program while eating or something. So yeah, check it out. Again, I bought this for $3.99 at Costco. Another $60 for this Smart Folio. There's a lot of other products that you can get. So if you want a cheaper case for it, you can do that. And overall, so far I'm pleased with it. I think it's the right price point, right size for me. And I think it would be good for travel, that type of thing. So you don't want to pull out the phone, or you want to do something else on your phone. Might actually try live streaming from this as well. It's got a really nice camera. So actually, maybe I can just show you that real quick. So where is the camera? Oh yeah, there it is. So yeah, it's a very nice camera. And I think it'll be good for live streaming. So thanks again for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Take care all.